Thanks for remaining. Invite board number 4 to board at 9.
Passport? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. We'll be fine. Alright, we're here. We made it to JFK. Barely. Sam's here, just barely. We'll tell you guys the story later. We had an issue checking in our bikes. Thank God it all worked out. We are at JFK, about to board the plane. It's the big one,
That's
folks.
my signature move.
It's gonna be. You're gonna see that a lot. All right, we'll see you on the plane. You will.
Pick up your duty-free. None, proceed. Can you drink? No.
What is This could be us. Holy hell, dude, that's quite a business class. Jesus Christ. That's a lot of first class. Or business, like mostly business. Hello. Hello. Alright, about to take off. It's official. Well, it's not official. We haven't taken off. But we're about to take off.
Hopefully our bikes are with us.
We'll find out when we get to Japan. Going to pick up our check bags, aka boxes, to connect to our flight to Hiroshima. It's a bit of a rush, but we should have just enough time. Look at that. Alright, we found the bags. We're in the airport. We're hoping that we can get them checked again. A little crazy. The boxes have also been opened and retaped. Which actually looks like even mine was too. Yeah, both of them were. So we shall see the condition once we're on the other side. Alright, we're at Terminal 2. Got off the bus. Looking for our plane. Oh, this is nice. This is a cool airport. Beautiful airport. The automated wheelchair is returning back to base. Do we look tired? Yeah, I look a little tired.
Yeah,
Flight number 2. We are officially we're almost officially at 24 hours of being awake. This flight almost.
Yeah, we're at like 22, 15 minutes.
We're close.
By the time we land, it'll be 24.
Indeed. We will be arriving in Onomichi, hopefully with our bikes intact. We will see. Airport should have a bike room. It could be closed. That's a possibility. We'll find out when we get there. See you in Onomichi. Alright, we made it. We made it. We're at Hiroshima. We've been awake for about 25 hours.
24, no,
24? 24 hours on the dot. Allegedly, our bikes are gonna come out right there. And we're gonna go assemble them in the bike room and get to the hotel just in time to go sleep. We'll see you in the bike room. No, no, no.
Return grand stuff?
I don't know what he said, but... Perfect. Yeah, it looked like it was this way on the map, but... Okay, I'll put it down. Oh, there it is. Dang. We got a bike. And we got the bicycle assembly space. All right. All right, we are at Hiroshima Airport in the bike center, and we just put our bikes together. As of right now, nothing is broken. It seems to all be there. We did it. We did it! Give me a fucking hug, man. That was a fucking journey.
およそ300メートル先、リンゴ運動公園入り口を左方向です。左方向です。
All right, here we are. We're in Onomichi near Hiroshima. We made it here last night around 11:30. Everything worked out. The bikes
Barely.
appear to be in good shape. We're about to start day one of the trip. This is the big one.
Onomichi to body.
This is no joke. This is not a drill.
Yeah. Kind of front loaded it on the distance here.
We did a little bit. We did a little bit. Tomorrow's going to be arguably the hardest day of the whole trip. It was pouring down rain at 6 a.m. Now it is sunny. It is completely dry. And we are about to get on our bikes for the very first time and ride away. Let's do it. And just like that, we are riding bicycles in Japan. I actually can't believe it. Wow. Car coming. I feel like I have the biggest grin I've ever had right now. We're here. We're actually doing it. It's so quiet right now too. I think I'm gonna have to put my seat up a little bit at one point, but for now I'm good. Oh, there's the movie museum. So, vlog update. I'm gonna say that so you know I'm talking to the camera. So we're starting here in Onomichi. Day number one, we are riding the world famous Shimanami Kaido. It's a series of like, I don't know how many bridges, like 8 or something across islands. It's gonna be incredible. So today we'll be following a route relatively. I haven't seen the route yet, but eventually we'll see it and we'll find it and we'll go. So that's the first bridge. But I actually, like, there actually might not be a bike path on it. And I don't want to start off riding across highway by mistake. So, you know what, actually, let's stop for like 1 second. Wow. Look at this ferry, dude. It's so cool. Oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Gotta do some math.
Yeah, it's 80 cents.
80 cents to cross the ferry, which is a pretty good deal to save our legs and driving across the highway on the first bridge, probably. Thank you. Put on that one. Like M club apostrophe, like square root of Brillo. A lot of bikes here, obviously. Let me check, hold on. Grab some tomatoes from a stand right by the ferry. According to the lady, what were they, Sam?
They're #1.
The #1 tomatoes in all of Japan. Who knew they were right there the whole time? They are really good. I'll give them that. Now we'll take a right. Yeah, but you basically, you don't really do it like a car. You actually go to the other side and then go. I forgot to talk about that part. It's an extremely important step that I didn't tell you about at all. All right, we're actually on the Strava route now. Oh, look at the baseball to the right over there. We are en route. Shimanami Express. Sorry. Dozo. You got it? Are you dozoing it?